Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of microphone on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve microphone on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we'll enter to the window of the apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter or you click on the app of Snapchat. Then this page of app info, you will click on first app and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app. And you can uninstall it again to fix that problem you have on Snapchat. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.